My name is Sean Leininger. I teach at Clemson University. I'll be a speaker at Dscoop. One of the topics that I'm talking on is it's time to get really personal. It's really trying to get deeper into variable data. You'll find a lot of people do variable data that I call it commodity variable data. So I have a brochure that somebody sent to me in the mail, and it says John at the top, and it uses my name 2 or 3 times, and of course on the mail side it has my name and my address. Interesting enough, the whole piece is on successful variable data, but there's nothing in there that's a high-level variable data or anything that's triggered, just my name. That's what I call commodity variable data. 5 years ago, that might have made a really, really big difference, but in today's world, it doesn't make as much impact on anybody. These are 2 pieces. This is a mailer that went out from a school. They actually targeted it based on the student's gender and also their ethnic background. So the person on the cover fit that person. And then inside, when you take a look at it, it had to do with, you see they're totally different. The structure is very much the same, but what's in those is totally different. What they've done is when the student, a high school student, logged on, said they were interested, said what types of things they wanted to study, extracurricular activities. They built the brochure, and each one was totally unique. This is almost 100% variable in the entire piece. And that's high-level variable data, and it really has made a difference. The school that's done this has had a much higher success rate of bringing in the top students that they want to do. And there's some other things. This one is a financial book that was put out, and when it was put out, it has 25 unique things throughout it. Yes, some of it's the name, but a lot more that goes into it, where they're trying to bring you in as a financial advisor, customer of theirs. Again, tremendous success rates as far as what they're doing. Now, how do you do all this? How do you make it personal? You can do a better job of helping your customer collect the data. There's a lot of ways you can do it. Maybe it's the web, maybe it's using a mobile website, but you can also merge data that they already have, or you can create some data yourself and use relational databases and merge it. You can purchase the data from a listserv company and then merge it with your data, or you can create it. I actually will teach people how to use rules and scripts and some complex calculations and actually enhance the data. If I know what your birth date is, I can tell you all sorts of things that happened on your birthday or your wedding day, or I can use a formula to write it and figure out how many years and months it's been since you graduated from college. And that's an impressive thing when you hear people say that. So I want you to understand there's a lot of opportunity here to learn how to become more personal with the customer. But it's really your choice. It's a very much show and tell. I'll actually have several programs on my computer that I'll demonstrate. It's probably the shortest PowerPoint presentation I give at any conference because more of it is showing you how we do some of the things and how it works together. So with that, I hope you decide to come, and I look forward to seeing you, and hopefully we'll have a big crowd on my presentation. Thanks.